I was just watching, and now these son of a have talked us into welding in front of somebody. It's like welding in front of all of Instagram. We're at LaFitte Fabrication, and we've been watching him build this Fab 9 housing, and his guys are building motor plates, and there's just chaos in here.
They're building race cars out here, and we just came over here to interrupt them, and now James is like, do you want to weld? And Russell was like, no. I was like, give me that damn welder. I'll mess some stuff up.
And I'm gonna weld. I wanna try.
Yeah.
But it's nerve-wracking welding in front of James.
I don't care, because I can't weld worth the crap anyway.
I know.
This is gonna be a learning experience. I can barely MIG, but I'm gonna try to TIG now.
I want to TIG real bad.
All right, we're about to TIG today. What are we about to do?
You are about to weld. I was gonna leave, but I'm gonna wait now.
Or you wanna see me mess up?
I want to see.
I don't know what I'm doing. I have not got the first clue.
You look like a pro.
I gotta do something with the foot pedal?
Yeah. It's like playing the drums. There you go.
I don't know what I'm doing, but we're about to do this. What are you saying to do?
Don't get it too hot.
Don't get it too hot. Okay. Floor it, you get it hot.
Yes.
It's like a gas pedal on your car.
Yes.
The more you hit it, the hotter it gets. Barely hit it, you barely go.
Okay, I'm gonna barely hit it.
Barely hit it, but you gotta be hot enough to melt your knuckles.
You got to be able to put it.
Not knuckles. You gotta put the Texas butter weave on it.
Texas, what is it called?
It's called Texas butter weave. Well, it ain't anybody can weld on a table. I mean, you gotta be able to reach around and get up in these cars and weld.
Dang.
You're giving me a reach around? What's going on?
Edit. So Chase's first weld with a TIG welder is going to be a roll cage simulation. This is down by the kick panel.
Let me,
He's got to make a continuous weld all the way around this saddle joint.
all right, listen.
You need to watch a
Hold
YouTube
on.
video first.
No, I'm going at this. I don't know what I'm doing. But I need to make sure that my settings are right. So y'all come over here with me. Let me
You better not touch any of
I
them
ain't
buttons.
touching the damn thing, because I don't know what that. Look at all that stuff. Hold on, you adjusting it?
That's way too hot.
80, 85. 85 is where I was thinking I needed to set it.
What's the A stand for?
The A stands for amperage. Is that even close?
Oh shit.
Damn, look at that, boy. Look, he's even tagging it to the table for me. I should have been watching James weld that over there. You watch.
Hey, yeah.
I'm glad he gave me a good angle. You know, like, this is super easy. This is like, you know, going in the corner. He didn't give me that corner weld, did he?
No.
No. He gave me something hard. Just the first time.
Employment test.
You know those memes you see online where it's like $25 an hour or $150 an hour?
You finna get 200 an hour, ain't
Yeah, I'm gonna be over that limit.
James is gonna tell them what do you think.
I'm fixing to blow y'all's minds.
Yeah, this is what you're worth.
Oh, it's stuck. Whoa. Yeah, I'm shaking because I'm nervous.
Right now, you hadn't even finished filling out the application.
I know, this is not as easy. Look. This is hard. I can't see. You can shock yourself? I look like I'm about to shock myself?
Yeah.
They're waiting. They're waiting. Look at here. It's Russell's
Hold
shop.
on, let's hold that up.
Look. I didn't do
You
a
welded something together.
good- Look at that. I did a good job of welding this rod to this tungsten. I'm gonna let this definitely for the professionals. Look at these assholes back here laughing. Just laughing. These professionals.
Hey, he's truly stick welding over there.
This looks about like my MIG welding.
Oh no. Oh, little birdie pitch on it.
I'm trying to think of which I've never done anything two-handed like this.
Oh! You think we're hired?
You were never even.
He said nope. I was all cocky there at the beginning. That's definitely harder than it looks.
Now these instructions, you're behind the camera, but you can still listen.
Yeah, I'm listening.
So say you want to start right there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you start, put your heat on this one because the edge will melt away quicker than the, just the flat surface of the steel. So then you start your puddle where each metal, I call it a receiving temperature, where it will receive filler. You follow me? So you start your puddle, and as soon as you see this, it'll get almost a shiny red. You know what I'm talking about? Where it turns almost to liquid. And then you just bring this in under the cone, and it'll magnetically jump to that spot.
He gave us the best angle to ever weld at. He's like, this is.
I need a mirror and the bend and everything right now.
All three metals going together.
Dude, I think you did something. I really can't see.
Something happened.
Dang, boy!
I'm way too hot.
Look at that!
I feel like I'm way too hot.
A natural.
Dude, so what would you do here if you were coming up on this? You gonna stand over it and lean like this and dab it in there? Yeah. Body position
I
wise?
just swap hands.
So I lean my arm right here?
Yeah, don't look.
You look like me, all scarred.
Oh no.
That's why I don't have any tattoos, because I scar my arms off.
So coming up hills works good. I wanted to go downhill so bad.
Well, why don't you?
I don't know. It just seemed like the way to go, but I mean, coming up worked nuts. Let's swap hands. Let's give it to James and see.
Oh shoot.
No, there's no way. There's no way. No, there's no way. That left hand is not doing it, buddy.
What?
So what you gonna do with the pedal? Do it with your knee? He got the right position.
Yes, he's in right.
James LaFitte position approved.
I don't know about that.
I don't either.
Crossover situation.
Yeah, I was just trying to. Where's my pad, James?
Now you gotta balance it bad. Balance it right.
No, I'm gonna balance my hand on that pad.
Okay.
No, I'm not. We're gonna be okay.
Whoa! Hold on, let's look at this. What is this look of your disgust on your face?
No. I just think about training people to do this. It's tough.
It is.
Oh, I didn't think it was easy, buddy.
Yeah, it is tough. It is definitely difficult.
I did not think it was easy.
So when you press on the pedal, more amperage happens and gas comes out more?
No, gas steady.
So why did it go woof?
Because he pulled it back up, taking off the pedal, so it's steady shoot.
Oh, okay. What do you think about the tungsten, the TIG welding?
I want to do it for about 6 hours.
It wasn't the worst. It wasn't what I did.
We've never done it before. Never.
It's better than what I did. You did good over here, and then not so much over here. Are you about to weld?
Yeah, I got to finish this rear end out.
Professional.
Yeah, gotta
Professional welder. It takes a lot of practice. How long did it take you?
be about 3 days.
3 days.
No, not really. I learn something new every day on it. Every day. Yeah. Every day you learn something. And there's people that are way better than I am at it. You know what I mean? They're artists. There's true artists.
Oh yeah.
And so I watch a lot of their stuff and look at a lot of their stuff and try to learn, and every day learn something different.
That's where Chase stepped on my hose.
Bull crap. I had not
No, that's where the temperature wasn't right, wasn't it?
No, that's where Chase stepped on my hose.
I definitely didn't step on no
Yeah,
hose.
look back on the video. He was saying, "Yeah, you gonna watch him?" Yeah, I want to watch him, and I was right there, and it's.
Did I really?
Yeah.
I didn't feel that.
James felt it.
We are headed to Tyler, Texas to go to the Pull Up and Ignite car show.
It's a back to school bash, getting some kids some school supplies, go back to school.
For sure. We're gonna head over there to Tyler. Josh has got the 69 loaded up, looking good. And I'm gonna drive the OBS. Got old Project OBS just chilling over here. And we're gonna head to Tyler right now. So let's go. What did I do?
When you interview Josh, he always gets nervous and he's like
Messing with his hat?
messing with his hat.
Is that what you do,
I
Josh?
guess.
Do it.
You gotta mess with your hat, make sure it's on right.
I said that grass will turn them white shoes green.
It is some nice grass though. Look at how beautiful that grass is. Look, I mean, like you sink down in it. What kind of grass is this?
Bermuda.
You think it's Bermuda?
It's long though.
It's not like a.
Can you smoke it?
I don't know about all that. I'm not sure. What do you think? What do you think so far?
A lot of cars.
What? What do you think, sir?
Oh, we just got here so far. I'm just glad the sun's down.
Yeah, it's not as hot.
It's not as hot, yeah.
That's a cool shirt, Josh. I like that shirt.
It's all right. I need a new one.
All right, guys, I've got my buddy, longtime friend. I've known this guy right here, Jamie Struhall, for a long time. We used to hang out back in the day.
Way back in the day, yes, sir.
Way back, 20 years ago, probably.
At least.
Yep. And I haven't seen him. We were friends on Facebook, and I haven't seen him in a while. But we used to hang out, and we were both in the cars. I had a Celica, and you also had a Celica.
Yes, sir.
So we were Celica buddies. And he's got something truly unique behind me. I have never seen one of these in person, but it's a K-van, right?
Yes, sir.
K-van. So Jamie is going to tell us all about his K-van. So Jamie, what do you got behind here?
So it's a 1998 Suzuki Every K-van, imported from Japan about January this year. I picked it up in April. Absolute blast to drive. It's my daily driver. I delivered mail in it for a few weeks, but I don't need it now. Obviously, it's right-hand drive. I've got the Momo steering wheel in it. I've got my hideous blue wheels because I can't do anything normal. 660cc, 3-cylinder turbo motor, making a whole 63 horsepower when it was new.
63 horsepower?
Yes, sir.
Dude, this thing ought to fly.
Oh, dude, it's a beast. It makes it to like 60 and then I'm done. But it's,
well, I think it gets good gas mileage though.
It gets pretty decent. It gets a heck of a lot better than anything else I own, like my wife's car.
Show me the inside of this thing, because it is right-hand drive. So now we're on the passenger side now.
Yes, sir.
I like this, dude.
Oh yeah.
Dude, this thing is. If you get in an accident.
Yeah, my legs are the crumple zone.
Yeah,
so
dude,
I'm just gonna be destroyed.
That is crazy. That is wild, dude.
And
like there's the front.
Oh shit.
What? It's got like a bed?
They fold all the way flat.
Oh, that's nice.
All the way flat. Both of them fold down.
That is nice.
So you can fit
a dang bed
almost a queen mattress. A little bigger than a full-size mattress back there.
Yeah. I like it, dude. Yeah, so this would be perfect for like someone camping or whatever.
Oh yeah.
Do they
turn them in? As long as you're camping close to home, because you can't go 70 in it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it'll do 65 or so, but you're almost at the red line when you're doing it.
So a lot of back roading.
A lot of back roads.
That'd be fun anyway.
Farm to market roads, doing 55, 60 all day long, you're fine. But
yeah.
I would never want to take this on a road that goes 70. The engine's underneath here. There's a little cover about this big. You pull the carpet back, pull the cover off, and that's how you get to the motor.
And it's a 4-cylinder?
3-cylinder.
3-cylinder turbo.
660cc turbo motor.
Awesome. We got that sports body kit with the blue wheels. Could you have picked a different blue that matched a little better, or you just wanted it to be bright?
It had to stand out. I was torn between bronze because I've always wanted bronze.
Why not purple
wheels.
To match your sticker on the side?
I didn't think about it.
And dude, it'd have matched your shoes too.
I don't know, man.
the heck?
Blue's my favorite color though, obviously.
I
Blue,
see that.
blue, everything's
Yeah, dude.
blue.
Da da dee da dee da.
There you go. Match the blue steering wheel,
I do like that.
and that's no smoking sticker in Japanese.
That's what that says?
Yeah. I used Google Translate on it to see.
To make sure they weren't lying?
Well, they didn't tell me what it was, but I translated it to find out.
Oh, that was already in here.
That was in there.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, that was on when it came over from Japan.
Oh, okay, cool. And was that in here?
Yeah, that was in there. It's just a clip-on though.
Yeah, I like it. Jamie, I appreciate you telling me about your vehicle, man.
Thank you.
I'm Katie Struhal, Kattie.
All right, so tell me about your car behind me, because I see this thing all over Facebook.
I
You're
love
always
my
posting
car.
about it.
Yeah.
You love it so much. It's unique. Tell me about it. What is it?
So this is a 2019 VR6 Volkswagen Atlas. I've always wanted a Harlequin.
It's Harlequin?
Harlequin.
Not
Yes.
Harley Quinn.
Harlequin.
Harlequin. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Volkswagen did these in the 90s, and I love them so much. I remember them as a kid. I'm an artist, I like to paint, and they've always, like, the colors just worked for me. Wasn't until, like, after I'd wrapped it that I realized it kind of worked for autism awareness as well. So it's
Gotcha,
kind of a multifaceted car now. But I'm constantly adding to it. I just tinted my headlights and my fog lights and roof rack. I've got a very long list of things I want to do to it.
Well, it looks cool like it is. I appreciate you
I
sharing
love
it. And what else? What is the interior? Have you done stuff to the interior?
The only thing I've done to the interior is on spoonflower.com. I had a artist change the coloring of my visors and my console. I
Cool.
want to do the whole car, you know, the ceiling, all the things.
Awesome. Well, I like it. I enjoy
Thank
seeing
you.
the progress on the internet.
I love it. I love it. Thank you. Harlequin Mom Wagon.
Is that where we find you?
Yes, Instagram. That's the only one I have right now.
All right, cool.
But I appreciate it.
Actually sounds pretty good.